Hello everyone, good afternoon or evening. So for today, we'll be doing an activity titled Server-Side and Client-Side Scripting Fundamentals Laboratory 7. So in this activity, we'll be doing this task right here. First is we need to run our code diri and when i-run nato ni siya diri sa atong localhost, makabutang og welcome to my first PHP server. So the next task here is working with PHP variables and data types. So gamiton nato ni siya, which is given na. We'll go to our cursor. Butang nato ang data and save. So you can see we have a name here, Maria, age 20, is a student, mo iyang header, and if mo prompt out ni siya, yes if tinuod ba na student siya, and no if kung dili siya student. Siya nga save, then i-run na to siya diri. So as you can see, ni prompt diri ang user information ni Maria, yung age, and since student man siya, so ni prompt out siya. Yes. So the next one is we have the mixing PHP server with the client. Here, ibutan na to sa ang cursor. Save. So you can see here, let's go back to our testing nakaan. This message comes from the server. So, pag first na nagasend og message, gikan ni siya sa server. So, after that, he will be answering the post-lab reflection questions. So, what is the key difference between server-side and server-side scripting? So, ang server-side scripting, which is nag-run on PHP sa server before it shows the page. While ang client-side, which is our JavaScript, runs in a browser after the page is loaded. So, second question is, why is PHP executed before JavaScript in the examples? So, before tamang because PHP is processed by Apache before it sends the page to the browser. JavaScript only runs after the browser receives the page. So, the next question is, what will happen if Apache or the PHP server is turned on? So, i-try na to siya. So, we have our sum here. If ato ni siyang i-stop, i-stop na to siya, and then balik na dere. And ato ni siyang i-reload. As you can see, wala siya. Error lang, localhost refused to connect, kay ato ang gi-off ang ato ang PHP or atong dito sa server side. So muna siya labas. So imo po ni i-reload, still the same. Since wala naman siya nag-connect sa ato ang server. That's all.